Jason, another tough question. What do I do if a trustee or an executor, it just simply doesn't seem to be doing their job or is not keeping me informed or refusing to distribute the estate in any way?
Yeah, that's so common, and we have unfortunately dozens of cases like that going right now, and at any given time.
So it's common for family members to be contentious.
It's very well, yeah. It's surprising, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so we basically always try to avoid that. So a lot of times we are representing an executor or trustee, and what we tell them is, look, you got to keep them informed.
Yeah.
You've got to keep this moving along, because if you don't, they're going to go, all right, fine, let me go hire my own lawyer.
Yeah.
And then all of us start billing hourly and nobody wins but us.
Yeah.
And so there's ultimately a responsibility on the trustee and the executor to carry out their duties, to do their job effectively. And sometimes it's blatant. They're just stealing money.
Yeah.
Or they're living in the house and not paying rent and refusing to sell it, or they're just doing whatever. We've got a situation right now where they're running a business and not allowing the other side of the family to be part of it. And in those situations, we very effectively file petitions demanding that the trustees or executors do their jobs, account for what they've been doing, or be removed and replaced either by our client a lot of times, or the court can appoint an independent fiduciary to take over everything. Yeah. And so it's very common, and it's the way of the beneficiaries and heirs to be protected from somebody not doing their job.
Right. So if you're concerned, there is a way to be able to keep the executors, trustees accountable to what they're doing.
And it's great. The step-by-step process is so clearly laid out in the probate code for this that the court itself will apply its own scrutiny on the trustees' accounting to make sure they're doing their job. So the court will oftentimes be on the side of the beneficiary going, I just want to know what's happening. Yeah. And you're not doing your job. And so fine, if you don't want to do it, I will.
Sure.
And so we've effectively, and one of two things happens. Either the trustee or executor hires a good lawyer, oftentimes someone we know, who starts doing their job, and we're fine. Yeah. And we back off. Or they don't, and they get some righteous indignation, or they just refuse to communicate, and we move forward, and we are able to get them removed every time.
Yeah.